Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite story breakdown, where I'm gonna breaking down your favorite film, video game, and also series. In today's episode, we're going to breaking down this film. You may be recognize this scene. Yes, this is from iRobot. I watched this film maybe about 5 to 7 times if I'm not mistaken. When I was 9 years old, I really loved this film, and I watched again when I was in the last semester of college twice, and I love it. The story is good, and we're going to discuss the character of this film. This man, Will Smith, is not the main character, but this robot is the main character. That's our material. That's the material that we're going to talk about today's episode. But before we going further in my breakdown, there's a good news that the Last of Us Part 2 breakdown is almost finished, man. It's almost finished, and I'm about to reveal the top secret of The Last of Us Part 2. Man, I really can't wait to tell you that the top secret of the game, why the game is so good, why it makes us want to play that game until finish. So, uh, I'm going to publish that video soon. I'm gonna working on it, of course. So, uh, let's jump to the breakdown of the iRobot video. Okay, Will Smith, the Will Smith. Okay, Detective Spooner. This man is not the main character. No, not the main character. Not the main character. No, he's not. But this robot, this robot is the main character of the film. Okay, in the definition of the film, the main character, or you can say it, the protagonist is going to moving the plot. So Will Smith supposed to be walk the plot, but in this film, who triggers Will Smith to do most of his movement is because of this robot. Okay, because of this robot. Okay, uh, I'm going to give you a sample from the scene. The sample of the scene. Okay, okay, here we go. In the opening, in the opening, there's a robbery. Actually, not a robbery. In the opening, there is a robbery, but actually not. It's actually, yes, this is a robot. This is a robot. Just obey the order of his owner. So it means what? Robot. The robot is moving the plot. 1 point. The robot moving the plot. Okay, and then in the opening, after the scene is done, he go to his office. Okay, to the office and there's a in the office set, then there's a homicide of the professor. I forget the professor's name. And then from that from that from this homicide report, so Will Smith move. Okay, this man, the human, get 1 point. The human got 1 point, and the robot, the point is drawn for now. And then after that, talking with Dr. Coffin, the assistant, and then from this they go to the office. Yeah, crime scene. Okay, in this homicide, they go to crime scene. They go to the crime scene, walking, meet with Dr. Coffin, Dr. Coffin, Dr. Coffin, and Dr. Coffin take him to the actual crime scene, and if the murderer are not really long ago, it means like maybe 30 minutes ago. So Will Smith said that probably the the suspect is still here. The suspect is still here and show up. Who? Sonny, the robot. And what makes him after Sonny is because of this robot. Okay, because of Sonny. Then Will Smith move. Okay. Second point for the robot. And then after that, going to the NS5 where the so much robot uh, is gathered. Okay, 1001 robot, and drive him, makes him to the place, another one robot. And then after that, take him to the custody room, the interrogation, makes him asking, why do you kill Dr. Man, I'm really forget. I'm sorry about that. 1 point. Okay, that's a now for now it's a 4 point. Okay, and then after that, it's the plot is keep on going. The Will Smith keep on investigating what actually happened, going to the doctor, to the victim's place. I'm forgot. Oh my god, who is the name? I'm I'm really so I cut the video because I wanted to know the name of the doctor. It's Dr. Alfred Lanning. Okay. Will Smith investigated the home of Dr. Lanning. What makes it what makes him investigated of the place is because the last time I remember, maybe there's the latest activity on his home. So okay, the last activity the last activity in his home. Okay, the trigger is human. Okay, 2 points for human. And then after that, Will Smith, he moved to Dr. Calvin's house, tell him that then he's injured. Then, do you like cats? No, I'm allergic. Take the cats to grandma's house. Okay. And after that, we saw that the scene that is the old robot, the old version of robot was changed. The old robot was changed and also come to his grandma's house, right? And also, in the middle of his journey to somewhere, I'm kinda forgot because uh, yes, in the journey of he going to somewhere, there's a robot. Okay, there's two cars. Yeah, let's say the car, it's because it's a futuristic vehicle in the story. There's a futuristic vehicle that surround him front and back. Okay, so again, 5 points for the robot. Okay, and then he fight the robot, having a fight scene, having a fight scene, right? So this is the crime scene from Dr. Calvin. And then after this, he investigated Dr. Lanning of Dr. Lenning's house, right? And then from this way, uh, he also from this new robot, the new robot coming, the new robot. Do you know the new robot coming? And then he was attacked by the robot. Attacked by the robot. Attacked by the robot, and then having a fight, with the robot. And yes, having a fight with the robot until finally the top in the top of the in the top of what is it in the top of the catastrophe in the top of catastrophe, the robots are attacking the robots are attacking human. 1 point. And also, because of there's a change of new NS5 version and also the old one. Okay, and also another, that's the Dr. Calvin, that's the Dr. Calvin plot. Okay, that's the Dr. Calvin plot. In this scene, we thought that the Sunny, the name of this robot, was terminated because injected by something in his brain, right? But actually no, maybe it's like the new update or something else. And then from that, another one, the robot are moving the plot again. And then when human, the robots attacking human, right? Robots attacking human. That's the one point. And also when they go to the basement, they go to the basement of the NS5 building, right? And it's also moved, helped by Sony, right? Helped by Sony. And then again, when they have to separate Dr. Calvin, the Will Smith, and also Dr. Calvin, right? uh, Sony give the gun to Dr. Calvin. Okay, we thought that this robot is dead, but actually no. The Sony is help Will Smith, the spoon, and also Dr. Calvin to the top of the building, to the top of building. We also saw that in this building there is a fight, there is a little fight scene of between the robots. Again, robots, right? And then they need to go to the center of the Fiki. Okay, they go to the center of the Fiki, and when Dr. Calvin about to the terminated Fiki, there's a robot climbing. Okay, there's a robot climbing. The robot also moving the plot again until finally Will Smith punch that button, and then Dr. Calvin start to write that code. One more point. Okay. Oh yeah, and also I'm kind of forgot, the Dr. Lanning leaving a hologram, that guide him to something, into some place. Maybe it's like a docks when where there's so much, what is that, a container, so much container. Okay, giving one point to human. There's a container where the robots are attacking human, and again robots. Okay, 3 point versus 7 versus 9 points for now. We saw that from that event, when Will Smith saw the new version of NS5 destroying the old one. Okay, and then after that he left the place, and then Dr. Calvin and also his grandmas was stopped by stopped by the robots, and also the police office was also attacked by the robot. 10 points. Attacked by the robots, and then Will Smith come get the Dr. Calvin, right? Come get a Dr. Calvin, and then we move again to the when it's in the top building, fighting the robots, and they are in the brains of the Fiki, right? Meanwhile, Will Smith fighting these robots, and also Dr. Calvin, while Will Smith and also Dr. Calvin fighting the robots, Sonny is take, let's say a poison. Let's say he take a poison to kill Vicky. To kill Vicky. Who's moving the plot? Another one. Robot. The robot again. Okay, and also when it's in the top of this building, we saw that Dr. Calvin is almost fallen. on the edge, on the edge. Okay, and Will Smith say that save her, save her, save her. Okay, 1 point, 1 point, and then save her, save the girl, and then Sonny, uh, and then Sonny save Dr. Calvin. Okay, no, it's the human who moved the plot, and then and then the Dr. Coffin was safe in this edge. The Dr. Coffin is safe. Okay, and then after that, after that, Will Smith is going to the center of the Vicky, going to the center of the Vicky, and then inject inject the poison, inject this poison to Vicky. So the Vicky was terminated, and then say that Dr. Calvin is safe, is now, so now save me. 5 point for humans. For now, it's 5 against 11. For now. Okay, after Dr. Calvin and also Will Smith was saved by Sonny, they having a little chat. They having a little chat, a conversation. Maybe the point of that chat is because is the teamwork between human and also robot, human and also robot. Okay, I almost forgot that there is also a scene where when Sonny are sleeping, and then he's wake up and he said that I have a dream. No, I don't have a dream. It's indirectly he moving the scene. In the end, we saw that he stand in the desert. Actually, not in the desert. Yeah, let's say in the desert, and there are so many container of robot, and all of that robot was staring at him. So we clearly see that the main character of this film, iRobot, is Sonny, the robot. Meanwhile, the human, the Will Smith, is not the main character. I thought that when I first time watching it, when I was didn't know about the knowledge of the film, I thought that, oh, this human is the main character. But when I was working on my what is it? When I was working on my thesis on my college, I watched it again, and I also read of a book film, and I analyze again while I'm watching that film. This man is not the main character. He's not moving the plot, but this robot moving the plot for the most plot. As you can see in this point that human is only get 5 points, meanwhile the robot or get 7 points. But if you remember that there's a scene that I didn't mention, you can also mention it in the comment because I make this breakdown based on my memory. I'm not watching that film again before I make this breakdown video. So I'm sorry if this breakdown are imperfect. And after that, I see. Because when in the beginning of the film, the director wanted us to frame this robot. This robot is the murderer of Dr. Alfred Lanning. But as the story goes by, we uncover that he's not murder him. Okay, he's not murdering him. Because I want to know the truth, I asked ChatGPT in the iRobot film who kills Dr. Lanning. The ChatGPT says that it's Vicky, but technically how I don't know. But I guess that's enough to fulfill my question. And then after the more we draw in the film, we saw that this robot is moving most of the plot in the film. Meanwhile Will Smith, and let's say that it's just a tool. Okay, it's just a tool. Oh, no. Let's say that Sonny is give him a rope, and Will Smith just have to pull it. Sonny said then, here, I give you a rope, and okay, I pull it here. And when the Will Smith pull the rope to the plot where Sonny moving the plot, all of the robots are moving the plot the most. So in my opinion, this film is 2004. Because I was born in 2000, so I don't know that film. I watched that film in 2012. Yes, I watched this in 2012 when I was sixth grade. Uh, and I think this film is pretty good about the AI. Moreover, today's world is all talking about AI, right? Okay, so that's all the breakdown for today's video. Maybe you think, oh, it's really short, unlike The Last of Us. Yes, because The Last of Us, I explained what happened in the game, right? Because this is on the film, it's just 1.5 hour, but not also I break down that scene by scene. But what what interests me in the iRobot, that interests me is how the director wanted how the director indirectly indirectly wanted us to blame the robot, right? But the robot the robot the robot itself, but actually the program system is the one who kills human, right? And I think in the story is pretty good. It's not contain so many barbaric action. It's on the proper composition. Everything is proper in the proper composition. The character the character of Will Smith is good. The Dr. Calvin is good. I think everything in this film is perfect. Even though I'm not born in the film, but when I watch this film, I see there's no plot hole in this film, and I love it. So that's the breakdown of today's episode. Maybe it's really short than my Last of Us breakdown. I don't know, or maybe any other series. So okay, this is the iRobot breakdown video. And when The Last of Us Part 2 is finished, we're going to jump to The Last of Us HBO Season 1. When The Last of Us HBO finished, and we go to The Last of Us Max. And then I'm going to break down each episode, and then I'm going to make a comparison. I'm going to make a comparison with the season 1 to the game, and also season 2 with the game. Sorry, I have this is the if the camera was so shaking. And I think if maybe if I found something that is more interesting in The Last of Us, maybe I can make a masterclass about it. But if there's nothing, then I'm gonna just break down each episode of each season, then I'm gonna compare it to the video game. So thank you guys for watching from the first minute until this last minute. I see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.